Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to share a project with you that I've created using some digitals from Catherine, who is KB and Friends on Etsy. I'm going to link her shop and the products that I'm showing you in the description box in case you want to get them yourself. And I really think you should because I love Catherine's work all the time, but I especially love it in the springtime and the Easter time because they're pastels and her images are amazing. And I always tell Catherine how much I love her art because I do. It's so retro and so vintagey. It's just so cute. So, hi, Catherine, if you're watching. Anyhow, I decided to use her two new kits to create this box that you're looking at. I'm going to call it a file box. I don't know what else to call it. And the collections are called Little Lamb and B is for Bunny. And I don't know which comes from which because I'm not very familiar with the whole collections yet, but everything you will see is in one or the other of those collections. And I'm just going to show you a couple things before I get into the box here. But these are some of the scraps I had left over. And Catherine started adding paper to her collection, which I love because her images have a certain color. And before, when I try to use her images, I could match them. I mean, it wouldn't be that hard to match, but it just took a little extra effort. Whereas now she has them included, so the colors match her digitals perfectly, which is why I love that. So I'm really happy about that. And then these are some of the elements that, here, let me scoot that over, that I didn't use that that are in the kits, but it's not everything. There's so much stuff in these kits. And you can size them. These were sized down because I was going to use them in here and I ended up not using them, but they're sized down so you can do that and you have them forever. They're yours forever to create with. And how awesome is that? Look at this one. This is even like a little book. It even has the back cover done so you can, put some little pages and pictures of Easter and give them to the grandparents or whatever. It's just so much you can do with digitals that you can't do with store-bought stuff. So, back to the box. This is what the front looks like. And basically it's just a box with some folded paper. I fold the paper and then I glue it in with hot glue at the bottom so they stay put. And that's kind of how it looks on the side, just so you can get an idea how it looks. And then for the feet, I use some little eggs I got at Dollar Tree, or Hobby Lobby, I guess. This is, yeah, Hobby Lobby. These are these little eggs, and I just glued them on for the feet. For the front, I use two of the cutouts. And this piece here, these are a lei that Dollar Tree had at summertime, and I just pulled it apart and kept the petals. And there you could see I just folded it in half as a background piece, and I stuck them in a few other places there as well. What this box can be great for is if you want to keep photographs on your desk, if you want to keep little recipes tucked in, as I said, photographs, or if you just want to look at Catherine's beautiful artwork and you just want a place to keep it so you can have it out to admire it, that's also an idea. But as you can see, I've got a little pinwheel. I had a rosette, so I just added one of the printouts and then did some glitter and put it on a little stick, and there you go. It's just sticking in there. It's so fun, and it's so fun to look at. I also added some trim around the edge here, just on the sides. And so basically that's what it is. It's all these cute little things, and they can come in, they can go out. If you don't want it there, you can move it. And as you see, those are all the papers that I showed you a sample of in the collections that she's created. So super cute, super fun idea. And the other part I was going to show you, well, now I don't even remember how it was, but like I said, it doesn't really matter because you're free to put them however you want it and take it out. Some options for you as far as the box, if you don't want to make your own like I did, you can use one of these from the Dollar Tree. Or you can get one of these from the Dollar Tree and use both pieces and make one box and one the other. One would be obviously taller, so you'd need to make your papers bigger so that they would stand above, but the lids are perfect for that purpose as well. And basically what I did with my paper, let me just grab one here. Just pick out whatever size you want for whatever box you're making. And I scored right here, like a quarter of an inch. And then I glued this on top, and that score made the paper bend. So that's the part, it bends like this. So that's the part you're going to glue down to the bottom of the box here to make sure that they stay in place. You don't want these popping out because otherwise they won't hold. And then you can even embellish some of them, and I have ribbon added to these. So just have fun with the collection. It's such fun to play with. And so anyhow, that's all I wanted to share with you. I have been busy. I of course have been doing things for Knitwit and trying to work on a baby book order that I have, and I've been really busy crafting, not shopping, which is a good thing, right? So anyway, y'all, until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.